Hello and welcome to Gradient's weekly roundup of Sri Lanka's key economic, industry and company news for week ending 18th June 2021. I am Ruani. In this week's roundup, we cover the following. Breaking the pledge to maintain fixed fuel retail prices, the government announced an increase in fuel prices last week, the first price revision made in 21 months. Maintaining fixed fuel retail prices has been a challenge amidst rising crude oil prices globally, driven by production cuts by OPEC and its partners and improving economic outlook in key markets. As per Asia Securities Research, the auto fuel segment of LIOC is likely to benefit from increased fuel prices. According to the State Minister of Finance, Capital Markets and State Enterprise Reforms, Ajit Newad Cabral, the Colombo Port City project could boost Sri Lanka's GDP by around $15 billion over the next 5 to 6 years. He also indicated that the project could improve Sri Lanka's macroeconomic fundamentals significantly if done right. Calling to revoke the Prevention of Terrorism Act in Sri Lanka, the European Parliament has urged the EU Commission to consider temporarily withdrawing Sri Lanka's preferential access to European markets under the GSP Plus facility. The EU, excluding UK, accounted for 23% of Sri Lanka's exports in 2020. 52% of Sri Lanka's exports to the EU in 2020 were garments. Other key exports to the EU include rubber products, food, and tea, among others. According to Cal Research, listed apparel sector companies TJL and MGT have 40% and 28% revenue exposures to Europe, respectively. However, the impact of a possible GSP Plus withdrawal on these companies is likely to be negated in the short run by the surge in demand from the US as the country is opening up post the vaccination drive. Fitch affirms Sri Lanka's long-term foreign currency issuer default rating at CCC based on the unfavorable outlook pertaining to Sri Lanka's external debt position, foreign exchange reserves and government debt in the medium term. In other news, Sunshine Consumers Lanka Limited, a subsidiary of Sunshine Holdings plc, receives a $5 million investment from IFC to expand retail presence across Sri Lanka. Cumulative quarterly earnings of all companies listed in the Colombo Stock Exchange crossed the 100 billion rupee mark for the first quarter of 2021, the highest ever reported in a quarter as per the SoftLogic stockbrokers quarterly earnings analysis. The growth was primarily driven by improved performance in banking, capital goods, and food, beverage, and tobacco sectors. India extends a credit line worth $100 million to support projects in Sri Lanka's solar energy sector, including the rooftop solar photovoltaic systems initiative for households and government buildings. And that's a wrap for today. Going forward, we will be tracking further developments on Port City, the fertilizer situation, updates on the SEC bill, and much more. Stay safe and have a great day. This is a video co-produced by Gradient Alliance and Atheno Design Studio.